wanna live as an untold story. Rather go out in a blaze of glory. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. I'll live now 'cause the bad die last. Dodging bullets with your broken past. I can't hear
Alrighty.
you.
Alright, hopefully some people join and we can see how the volume is for the music. I'll probably check. It's probably too loud. Yeah, it's probably too loud. Let me turn it down here. Alright. Alrighty. Yeah, I think that's a good volume. Seems quiet enough. Alright, let's get started. So today we are going to be dealing with some scripting. Let's get DSP area up. Alright. Alright. So we got our maps in. Alright. Alright, this is the exit map. Let me actually open this on my phone so I can watch chat. Hey, what's up Debug? What's up Alex? Happy to see you guys. Alright, so let's get started on this. Alright, goals for today are getting the scripts in and the events and the trainers. We have all the trainers planned out right now. Also, let me know if the... Hey Kenzie, good to have you here. Alright, so goals... Sorry, I keep saying this. Goals for today. We're trying to get these trainers in the game as well as getting their NPCs in the right spots. Also, let me know if the music's too loud and if it's, like... Yeah, let me know if the volumes are good. Oh, awesome. Also, thanks for everyone for tuning in. This is the first development stream I've done. Alright, we're going to... Music is a little bit loud for me. Alright, cool. So we're going to start off with, I think, opening up this area, Route 44. And I also want to kind of change this name. It was, let's actually change the name of this. Start with that. Garbage Gold. It was, Winter's Edge. I'm gonna stick with that for now, since it's close to the Avalanche Pass. Winter's Edge. It's too loud? Okay, thanks for letting me know. Let me turn that down more. Alright. Alright, when the next song starts, let me know if it's too loud still. Alright, so we're gonna change the name. Oh, that is really freaking loud. Oh. Yeah, maybe that's blasting people's ears when I save it. Yeah, let me know if that's too loud. Okay. So, alright. Good, we got that done. Winter, let's see. Alright, we got Route 44. Let's get the, Alright, so this is what we're working with. I can remove these dudes. I'm gonna keep them over here for now. Okay, the save sound isn't that loud. It like blew my ears up. Thanks for letting me know though. Alright. So we're gonna keep these guys were originally marking where the demo ended. And we're gonna figure out what these trainers are so that I can actually give these names. So it looks like this one's gonna be a bird keeper. That's kind of awkward though, because he only has one bird. So you might just delete him. Pokemaniac Zach seems like a better choice. I gotta keep the ones I'm not gonna use off to the side. I'm not gonna delete them yet, because that would be bad if I needed them later. Kind of learned not to. Okay, Ace Trainer, you can kind of be used for generic teams. Put you here. Actually, let's do that. So this one's Pokemaniac Zach. Yeah, Zach. What a name. Alright, we're also going to... I think we're going to use Ace Trainer Allen. We're going to make this guy a spinner. So I got a new mic, which is super great because I think people can actually hear me well enough, which is really nice. I got a boom stand too. You can kind of see it here. I can raise it up, so I don't have to like have it awkwardly kind of placed on my desk and my keyboard anymore. All right, we don't want Psychic Phil. I'm gonna keep you over here, and I don't think we're gonna put Fisherman. I really don't want to overload this route with trainers because the upcoming there's like 2 like back-to-back gauntlets, and it's just way too many trainers for people. Yeah, I already planned every trainer for this area over the past week or so. So the goal for these trainers is to have a lot of variety and showcase some new stuff from the new gen. So we even have Lechonk, because we got sprites in for it. And we got some other guys. I got the Paldean Whooper too, who I called Pooper. I think that's just stupidly funny. We got this guy, Clobbopus, Kubfu, and Panchams is more of a fighting type ace trainer, and then we have the Galactic Grunt on Avalanche Pass, which is going to be all water types. And then Saturn is going to be the boss of that gauntlet, but you can heal between the gauntlet and him. And then you have him, you can't switch your team, but you can heal between him and Cyrus. So despite the fact that this is Heart Gold, I imported all the Team Galactic sprites, and so we can have, I think they're just such a better team than Team Rocket. And then we have the Ghost Gauntlet for Morty, since the gym order in this game is very different, and then this is his team. His ace is the Hisuian Zoroark and the Haunter, because, yeah. I'm also really happy with how these teams turned out, and obviously these things are going to, like, evolve over time. I think Drizzle Wingle is going to be really fun. And these, I'm going to have to also script in all these level caps. This split's going to take a while, but not as bad as the first one, simply because of how much mapping I had to do for the first one. I'm actually going to open up the maps and show those to everyone. Let's do that real quick. Open maps. Yeah, this one. These maps are originally from Active Henry, which is why it's named the Johto recreation from him. And then I heavily modified them for Garbage Gold, and I'm heavily modifying them again for Mythic Silver. Yeah, so Kenzie, the reason these are highly EV trained for early game is because in Mythic Silver your encounters are all legendaries, and it's to actually balance the game so that you have similar stats. So you'll see in the encounters, like, you have, like, the second area in the game, it gives you, like, a Stakataka and a Heatran. And so it's kind of to balance that out. Otherwise, it would be absolutely unfair. But, yeah, let me pull this up. So, the beginning mapping of this game, I had this whole area here that my cursor's going over, and it took a very long time to do. The area we're in currently right now is right here. This is going to be Winter's Edge. It's going to be Mahogany Town, and then up through here is the Avalanche Pass, and then Avalanche Lake up here. Yeah, it makes a little bit more sense. This is the old Crevice Cave, which I'm not going to include. I'm actually replacing it with Volo's Rift. This was just to test out some textures. And yeah, you're going to come up in here, come here. Morty's going to shove you off a cliff, you're going to fall down here, and the gauntlet's going to be you basically coming up. Your little Giratina encounter, and then you fight Morty at the end of the cave. And that's basically the second split of the game, is from here throughout this area. So it's a lot shorter, but it's been taking me longer because I've had a lot of other stuff I've had to do in the meantime. So let's go back to this. All right, we got Ace Trainer Alan, and last one is going to be Ace Trainer Sybil. Okay, this one's going to be a mandatory. This one's, okay, that's a one-way. So I also want to write down their index, because I still have to insert these into the game. This is 408. To keep their trainer IDs, it makes it a lot easier for me to edit them later if I have it written down. Alright, this one's 407. Makes sense, they're next to each other. Has Henry's project that you're modifying finished? Oh, I want to call this the Lonely Farlands. Yeah, it is. As far as I know, it's finished. I think he finished originally. Yes, as you see here, everything like this cliff area for everything past Cyanwood, he originally didn't have. I think he finished it, and he also didn't have Ruins of Alph, but I did Ruins of Alph myself. It wasn't that hard. But yeah, he let me use it, and I obviously credited him with the Garbage Gold project. But at this point, like the base is still active Henry's, but yeah, most of this stuff is very different now. So I will credit him, of course, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I actually wanted to call this Lonely Farlands. I think I'll keep it at Winter's Edge for now. And Pokemaniac Zach, what number are you? Oh, thanks, Kenzie. I appreciate that. Yeah, I saw your map finished. Another Discord server. I was telling my wife about it because I was so impressed. Like, I think your maps are really, really good. Like, honestly, like better than mine. Like, I think they're. I really appreciate how you had a very 3D looking map. Actually, I kind of want to pull that up so I can show people. Where was it? I think it was in ROM Hack Progress. Yeah, this thing was crazy. Like, it looks messy because of all the nature, but it's organized, which is like kind of the vibe I go for in my maps. And like, I don't know, I think this is really good, especially. And this is like, I think this is this is a little bit to the south. Yeah, man, like this is really good. And I think it'll look even better once like there's trainers and everything in the game. Yeah, I'm super looking forward to see how that works. How that ends up for you. Anyway, let's get back to this. Alright, so we got our numbers in. I'm also going to have to open up my HG engine, which I'm going to need to pull the most recent updates for. I usually actually import trainers last. Alright, hidden item. I still need to find out the HG engine way to edit those. Alright, we aren't doing apricorns, so goodbye. I'm gonna have you facing down. You're single battle, right? Yeah, these are all single battles. I think this was originally double? No, I'm gonna keep it single. Yeah, hi Dingus, what's up? Yeah, Kenzie, I try to... So the part of the story in this game is that we have multiple different textures and stuff because we have different like space-time distortions. So you'll notice that this area is all like flat. This is all Gen 3 tile sets, and actually the next split of the game is going to be exclusively all Gen 3. So basically from Ekritique all the way down to Olivine is going to be like 2D looking things. So there's a reason behind the mixture, but yeah, I really love Gen 5 tile sets. Like I think it's just so much better in general. Alright. Okay, why is your sight range 7? That is crazy. It doesn't really matter though. Actually, we need you up here, so they can't get by you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay, that's why it's 7. And I also have it a little iced over here. I wish I could kind of meld the ice and the water a little bit better. It looks a little awkward. Also, as far as spinners go, I'm gonna leave you right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll give you sight range of 4. And you are looking around, looking in all directions. Have this random directions, then have... I kind of want you. I actually have you facing... I prefer things to be facing down. Actually, wait, what did I do for you? Okay. Yep, you're right. Yeah, I need to have you facing down. That's not gonna work if I leave you the way you are. Okay. Oh, this is a lot of items on this route, which is good. Alright, 406. That's you. Okay, so we're gonna have the mixed guy first, then the steel rock ground guy, and then the fighting guy. Okay, we're also gonna need to hook up these warps, which is going to be a pain in the butt. Alright, I probably should write these down, but I don't do that because I'm a bad boy. Alright, let's save this event file so I don't have to redo this. Cool. Where's this? Oh, this actually does hook up to that. Oh. Should this be here? I actually don't remember how these maps are supposed to work out with that. No. Yeah, this is the right spot. Yeah, this is the right spot. I know one of my warps was really weird, and you could like walk in the door from like a sideways angle, and I was really confused. I'm gonna have to like look at that again. I think this one's fine. Okay. We have to figure out what items we want in this area too. I actually want to put an item over here so you can have to explore a little bit more. Keep this one here. I kind of like that there. Is there another one? There's this one here. Kind of want this to be out of the way so you have to explore for it. This grass feels awkward. What? Wait. Did this? What the? No, I just left it like that. That looks so weird. I don't know if I like that. Alright, cool. Well, I'll look at that later. Alright. So, save this event file. Actually, I kind of want to put an item over here. I think that works out a little bit. I think that works out a little bit better. I can probably put an NPC somewhere else. Okay. Got a hidden item. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this later for sure, Kenzie. This is like kind of strange. Alright. I like these. These items are a little bit out of the way to go searching for them. And now we can actually put what items we want in these. Alright. So, script 146. I know this is in script file 141. I know this one. If this one starts at 0, then this one starts at 1. Oh, you have to add. I always forget. Is it like adding or subtracting an index? Go down to 146. You can actually just find out by using Bulbapedia. Route 44. This will tell us what this is, what items are on this. Should give me the items somewhere. I gotta scroll up, I think. Alright, so there's a bunch of items here. We can actually figure out. I think this one's always one more. Yeah, I think this is, so 146 is really the 147th script. Yeah, because this one's indexed at 0. Yeah, so we should edit this one. Okay, so 77. What is this? List of items. Right, so this is originally a max repel. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That was exactly what was on that list. Kind of would be cool to give some like EV items since you can't actually get EVs normally in this game. I think you need healing items for this upcoming gauntlet though. I think at least one berry juice would be good. Yeah, let's do a berry juice here. Okay, and oops. Probably want, this is 148. So still early enough in the game that berry juice is actually useful. But not for much longer, so I want to actually use it while I have the chance. Also, the upcoming gauntlet does have quite a bit of status. Might be good to give a lumberry. I'm actually going to give a citrus berry first. Yeah, I'll give a lum and a citrus. Kind of giving the players some good items here, but they don't have access to shops, so I don't feel too bad about it. Alright, I got that one. Also, I love this song. It's actually by one of my friends. You should check him out. Is berry juice an EV item? No, it just recovers 20 HP and it's a held item. It's just twice as good as orange berry. Alright, this guy, 148. So we're looking at 149. Berry, citrus berry. Alright, so one. Oops. Whoa. Just whacked my mic. Alright, 158. Cool. Yeah. What's up, Dingus? Let me know if you have any suggestions for items you'd like to see more of since you've played for the first split. Okay, this area does feel a little bit empty. Wait, did I delete this board here? What the frick? Alright, we'll leave this for now. I want to do Ecotique City because there's some warps I need to adjust. Or not this is Mahogany. I always get those two mixed up. It's right next to each other. Alright. Yeah, let's go over to Mahogany. Also, the gym is going to be blocked off. Wait, oh, it's like already blocking it off. That's pretty nice. Oh, I should get my master sheet up for this. Okay. I also have a list. This is such a mess, but a list of flags that I can use that are used in vanilla, but I'm deleting. Do you need another lumberry? Okay, we can give a lumberry somewhere. Do you mean like earlier in the game, Dingus? Yeah, we can give a lumberry later. Okay, so this guy can be removed. Or I can actually just switch his script. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of scripting today too. And I think this I moved. Let me save this. I think I moved this over. Okay, no, this is the thing I thought I deleted this. Wait. Yeah, this is the house that I moved over. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm wondering whether or not I want to make this house this location so that I have kind of an interesting shop or something. I don't want to edit this shop. I am the sole developer of this game, Kenzie. I usually don't work with other people. The only hack that I'm working on with someone else is Black 2 Kaizo Plus, which is technically I'm not really working on it. It's mostly Dingus, and I think Ethel Benzine's helping out, who I think beat. Do you think he beat VGC Platinum or Black 2 Kai? I can't remember what other game he beat. I'm gonna actually keep this. I'm gonna leave this warp up here. And I think I need. Oh no, there already are. Okay, I didn't delete these warp tiles. Good. Okay, I think I kept the buildings mostly the same. And I think this is the board. I don't want you to walk over. Okay. You can be just stuck in the trash heap. How about that? Looking around all directions. I want to have you some semblance of character. Also, I'm not using. Yeah, he beat VGC Plat. That's right. You're right, Dingus. There's only a small handful of champions of my games. You think I remember them better? Okay, so let's actually get some text and scripting in here. Yeah, let's do this guy first. Oh, we're gonna also need to remember what variables have been used. Oh, it's been way too long. I'm gonna need to go find that out. So the last one was the price script, and that was in Frozen Chasm. No, not this one. This one? Nope. This one. Yeah. This is 1648 418 expected value 9, so it should be 10. Alright, 16 418 10. 16 418. 10. Because we have a linear game, we don't have to worry about this. This is, yeah, Kenzie, this is actually my 5th game. I made VGC Platinum, Black 2 Kaizo, White 2 Kaizo, Garbage Gold, and this is my 5th, so actually my 2-year anniversary of hacking is going to be like the end of December, so yeah, I've been cranking them out, but I'm trying to make them better. I think the earlier hacks were kind of lower effort because I didn't really know what I was doing, so yeah, Black 2 Kaizo was originally difficulty hacks for Nuzlocke, and it was supposed to be harder because it was all doubles, and then people didn't like doubles because they're bad at them. And so we're going to make a B2K Plus where Dingus makes a bunch of balance changes and quality of life adjustments, such as movesets. Okay, so anyway, back to scripting. Script 2. Okay. I might just make a new script for this guy. Let's actually do that. Yeah, Garbage Gold took the longest of all of those. It took 8 months. VGC Platinum was about 4 to 5 months. It was just a difficulty hack though, and there was not many quality of life changes. Black 2 Kaizo, White 2 Kaizo took about 5 months together. They were basically the same game, just with one. I can't talk and type at the same time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I put a lot of hours. I think I counted. Garbage Gold took around 500 hours to develop. Yeah, that was a humongous endeavor. And Mythic Silver is probably going to take about the same. But I've been working on it since, I don't remember. I think it was August I started. This is definitely my slowest hack I've ever made because I've had so much schoolwork to do for my my degree. Alright, so we want this guy to tell you a message about Team Galactic up north. Okay, this guy's gonna be also a reference to script 10. Wait, is this guy duped? Oh, he's got the... Okay, so... I actually don't want you to have this flag. Okay, we can actually use this flag. But, yeah. The nice thing about rescripting a game from scratch is that I can just move around all these flags because I don't need to care about what the vanilla scripting's like. Oh, thanks, Kenzie. Yeah, I got 2.5 more years on this degree. It's tough, but I'm sticking with it. Alright. Script 10. Alright. We're gonna need action. So he's gonna give an exclamation. Oh, yeah, I can't spell. Exclamation 1. You guys gonna see the terrible scripting. Walk down. Oh, I actually don't want this to be generic. Oh, I might need to make a different script. It's gonna look really weird if I talk to him. I could just recess him further? Yeah, that would make a lot more sense. We can extend this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's probably gonna look a lot better in game. Alright. Okay. Walk down. Fast sight. That needs to be 2. Okay, action 8. Overworld. What number is he? This guy is ID 0. Action number 8. Yeah, mapping in school doesn't really fit together. I sometimes call PD SMS, and it's already 2 or 3 a.m. How time can fly like that. Yeah, man, I've definitely spent some crazy, like, 3 and 4 a.m. hacking sessions, like, debugging stuff. I know what you mean. Alright, so he's gonna do that, and he's gonna do... Okay, we're gonna save. Let's get the message bank for this. Alright. This is such a good NF song. Message 20. Oh, wait, movement. Message. What did I say? I already forgot 20. Yeah, I know. I'm also gonna need to see yeah, I think I'll use this flag 517 for the gauntlet head. So we can check flag. Yeah, I need to check this script thing. Is it check flag? Right, checks if flag is set. Okay.
Happy, yeah. Been this way so long, it feels like something's off when I'm not depressed. I got some issues that I won't address. I got some baggage I ain't open yet. I got some demons I should put to rest. I got some traumas that I can't forget. I got some phone calls I've been avoiding. Some family members I don't really connect with. Some things I said I wish I wouldn't not slip. Some hurtful words.
Hey, we got a bunch of viewers in chat. Hey, welcome guys. I hope you're enjoying the stream. We're doing some hacking right now. If you're just popping in, we also have we're working on Mahogany Town, and I'm working on this guy and his script, and basically he's going to interact with you and talk to you about seeing Team Galactic and tell you that they're up north, and you should go check them out. I think we're gonna have a fight with Kyron Black on top of Avalanche Lake. Yeah, we're gonna... The goal is to have the gauntlet throughout here, and yeah. Great. We need to also check for the proper flag. Check for 517. How does that work? I need an example to look at. I could write a record full of radio songs. Do a bunch of features at my... I'm really in the mood for NF right now. Do a bunch of features that I... Great. Alright, save this. Come back to this in a second. Check flag. Alright, jump if equal. Because this checks if the flag is set. Okay, so it's just a jump condition. Okay, that's not bad. Hey, what's up, Cooper? This looks like one of the best custom hacks I've seen on the King of DS hacking. Been following along ever since. Ah, thank you, man. Really appreciate that. It was kind words. I've been trying my best. I can show you some of the maps we're working with. We got a little dude here. He's gonna tell us what's going on up north. We're gonna have like a little event with Cyrus and Saturn. They're gonna walk up north here, and then we're gonna have to fight through all of them. Do some boss fights up here, and then I think Kyron Black is gonna fight us in the middle of the snowstorm. I'm really looking forward to doing that scripting. This part's kind of grindy though. I don't enjoy town scripting, but gotta do it. Alright, let's open up these scripts. And... Alright, script 10. Alright. And we're gonna do... check... flag... what was it? Song... and everybody sing along. Yeah, check flag 517, jump if equal and we're gonna do, what function do we have? Let's use, oh my gosh, there's so many in here. Function, there's actually some areas in the game that in vanilla have like over 100 functions. It's crazy. And they're not very efficiently done. Game Freak did not do the best job on some of these. Function 20. You get to really see some of the stuff they kind of put under the hood, and it's like, man, how did this get passed? Alright. So we're gonna use this for the avalanche. Gauntlet. Alright, I guess I should leave this over here because I don't want my my webcam to be in the way. Actually, I don't think it's in the way. It'll be fine. Alright, so jump if equal function 20. Message. What other message should we? Yeah. Alright. It took me a while to figure out what I want to do for the story in this game. Been thinking about it like every couple of days. Alright. Wow, so there was a legendary Pokemon. I'm glad you dealt.
I've been doing this a long time.
Dog, I don't want to listen to this right now. Alright, this is such a good song. I've been on a Fall Out Boy kick recently. Glad you dealt with it. Would have destroyed me and my knees. How do you spell measly? Yeah, there's no E at the end, that's what I thought. Measly team of non-Ubers. Tempted to give like a little LOL there, but that's kind of weirdly cringy. I'm not gonna do that. Message 21, close message, release all. Okay. This is kind of a bare bones script, but it'll do the trick. Are you following computer science courses, or did you just learn scripting all this stuff by yourself? Let me know if you need any playtesting done. Yeah, Cooper. When the second split of this game comes out, which is what I'm working on right now, I will post a version for everyone to play and test and see how it goes. I'm planning on doing like updated alphas every like gym split, so this will probably hopefully be done by the end of November, depending on how much I get done today. Okay, Kenzie, as far as computer science courses, I know a bunch of coding languages just from like school and stuff because I was a math major and we had to like code homework and stuff, but this is very different. I just kind of like, you kind of just learn it as you go by like just reading other scripts and be like, oh, this is how you deal with this, this is how you deal with that. Plus there's this database of scripts and how they work here. I think it's linked in Kingdom of DS Hacking, so I just kind of read through those and see like what they do. Plus most of the time it's just like moving an NPC and then a message. It's usually not like more complicated than that, and then like removing the person once they walk off the screen. So it's definitely overwhelming at first, but like it's not the worst. Okay, flag 384. What do you say? Wait, why does this... Wait, script 4. What does script 4 do? Message 16? Visit Grandma's shop. Oh, this is... Okay, I see. Wait, why does this person just disappear? Wait, they have a non-zero flag. That means this NPC just disappears randomly at some point. But they don't even have conditional scripting logic. What the, dude? I don't understand this game sometimes. I honestly don't. Alright, cool. So, script 4. I kind of want to just edit this script. Oh, I actually forgot to do play fanfare. You have to do this. Actually, wait. I want it to be here, so that it actually plays like the jingle like when you click on them. Otherwise, it sounds really weird. I got yelled at by Senate for not doing that once. He's absolutely right though. It did sound weird. Event editing. All right, script 4. Gonna go back to doing this guy. Message 16. Let's actually edit this one. Yeah, this person's gonna give you a lumberry. I think I have this. I have a bunch of like scripts and stuff pre-made so that I can recycle them when I need to. Was it here? No, these are just level scripts. Dude, where did I leave this? Yeah, some these. Yeah. Yeah, this is a gym leader logic trainer battle. I thought I had one for. Yeah, this is the conditional item giving. Yeah. Oh. We only want to activate once. Yeah, we're gonna want to increment that variable. That could be a big problem if I don't. Hold on. So you have to go back to script 10. Hey, oh, hey guys. Hello, we got some more people watching. Welcome, welcome. Be sure to drop a comment, just how your day's going. Love to hear it from y'all. Alright, so this also needs to, at the end, increment the variable. Wait. No, these have to be different. These have to be different scripts. This has to be a different script, otherwise we're gonna mess up the variables. This is gonna be 10. And then it needs to increment by 1. Okay, and then need to set var. I think it was 422. We need to get the calculator out. Programmer, and this needs to be 6.4. Yeah, you have to find out what this variable is in hex. All right, so we set that to 11 on the first time, so then it doesn't trigger again. It triggers script 10. Yes, then it should never actually find this flag. Okay, we're gonna actually copy paste this. We're gonna do the programmer move. Actually want to make a new movement for this. Wait, no, we want face player. Yeah, we want to do face player here. Alright, so this is gonna be lock all face player. Now we want to check the flag. And we want to give you a new message. This needs to be message 22. Oops. Alright. Also, yeah, Kenzie, I was gonna say another thing. This scripting is actually just an abstracted assembly macros, I'm pretty sure. So like if you ever do scripting in a CTR map for Gen 5, it's like this but way more messy because the script decompiler is like way worse and it tries to do it in Java. But this is like, these are all like macros in assembly that are just given a name, I'm pretty sure. I could be totally wrong about that. I'm pretty sure that's how it works though. Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, cool. So we should jump here. Yeah, I think we need a play fanfare 1500. So play fanfare 1500 is just the sound the game makes when you click on an NPC, little like dink, like clink sound. All right, message 22, close message. Okay, I think this is fine now. Cool. And then you need to give an item. Oh, didn't I use a common? I thought I used a specific variable for this. Okay, well you have. Yeah, I have this list of unused variables here. Okay. So 45E. Yeah, Ad Astra is crazy good at hacking. I don't know how he does it, man. It's just insane. Alright. Yeah, he knows way too much about assembly. Like, bro, you should go back to like the 70s and blow everyone's minds. Go to the moon. Alright. So we're gonna actually just use 45E for this, since I haven't actually used this anywhere else. Okay. Also, I want you to be flag 0. Now I can steal your flag of 487 and script 4. Alright, and I don't want that because I'm a terrible hacker like that. Okay, scripts. That calls message 16. Okay, so now we want to start working on giving items. I wrote one of these things before, so I'm just gonna copy paste. Okay. Alright, so the way this works is I have a variable that I compare to. So we're gonna do so compare var with the value. So our variables can be 40. I think I said 5e, and we're gonna set that, and we're gonna compare that to 0. Jump if greater function. We want to jump this to a function. It's not going to give an item. So function 21. We're gonna just give a message, I think. Ah, stop that. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do message 23. Close message. I always have to have a closed message, or else it doesn't get rid of it and it looks really weird. Release all. And okay. Okay, so basically if we've already given an item, we won't give another one. And what function was that? Function 21? Right, 21. Otherwise, we can give an item. That's the way this works, is you take... I don't really want to listen to this right now. This is a good song. Can you make every event you'd like to have in your game with DSP scripting, or do you have to do ASM stuff sooner or later? Most of the stuff I need to do is in DSP because it's such a good tool, and Data Astra's already like done most of the heavy lifting for that stuff. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have to do any custom ASM. The only custom ASM that I have is like through HG Engine, and that's stuff that Blue Rose has done. So shout out to Blue Rose for that. Okay, so we're gonna use a common script 2008 to give us an item. So we're gonna quickly set these two variables, and the way this works is we take this item ID. So this is item ID 50, and I think this is a rare candy, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so we're gonna give a lumberry here instead. So you have to look up the ID of a lumberry, which we just looked at before, 157. 157. Then we're gonna give, I think, 2, just so we don't have to give any for a while. And then no one complains about getting statused in the Discord server, which will be great. Alright, so this will give exactly 2 lumberries. We'll do message 24, close message. Then we have to increment variable, so you're going to set var 0x405e to be 1, so next time I click on him, I won't have to worry about giving infinite lumberries. There. Right. I've definitely gotten faster at scripting too. This used to be so slow. Alright, I think this script works just fine. Oh, do I have I do have a face player here. I kind of want to just do explanation. This person's gonna be surprised. Movement, overworld. I think this person was 3. Action. I think I said it was 9? Yeah, they're gonna give an exclamation point and then look at you. That's cool. Alright. Yeah, also y'all, I got all my liked songs on shuffle, so if you don't like something, let me know, I'll skip it. Alright, so this person's gonna give you some items. I kinda wanna make spawnable for the hole in the ground. That'd be kinda cool. Alright, script to activate. So this is the board that's going to tell you what city you're in. Script 8. Show board. Board message 18. Okay. How do you spell graffiti? There's 2 F's. Okay. Alright. Let's save this. Yeah, so we're gonna have a sign here. It's graffiti on it. Alright. Cool. So that's what this guy's gonna do. What about this one? This is script 9. This is board message 19. Alright, it's gonna be closed indefinitely. And I can also grab this guy's flag, which is really nice because I'm running out. Level 5. And I want you to be over here. Script 5. This is message 13. I know this is like the most boring part of ROM hacking, is just doing all this like text edits and stuff, but it really is immersive. You're the frozen chasm. Frozen chasm. Alright, so frozen chasms where we fought him. We're actually not going to fight any of the gym leaders in their gyms. We're going to fight them in different caves and stuff. Can't understand a single shit of what's written, but it makes me want to learn so hard. Yeah, I have a video on Gen 4 scripting somewhere. Where was it? I think it's on my channel somewhere. I believe if you want to learn how to script your own cutscenes and stuff, it's this video here. This is before I got a good mic, so it sounds a little weird, but this is like the best thing to start on, I think, if you want like a video tutorial. It walks you through some of the basics, and then I show you an example of what it looks like at the end. So if you want to look at that, you can. How are we doing here? Cool. Got a couple of viewers. It's pretty cool. All right. All right. All right. This looks good. And I think this guy's the only other one without a script. Script 3. Check flag function 9. What's function 9 do? Message 15. Most of the scripts in this game are just like playing messages and then moving NPCs. That's most of the game, and then like tripping like variables or flags so that like an NPC disappears somewhere. All right, message 15. Oh, okay, this guy talks about the magic carp in vanilla. Alright, script 3. So I also get 201 flag 201 out of this as well. That's kind of nice. I'm actually not gonna give this guy conditional lot. Oh, actually, I want to do check flag with 517. So that this checks if the avalanche gauntlet's been cleared already. Alright, script 14. Through our town. And then I think if you have tripped that, it goes function 9. And so function 9 is going to be a different text message. So this is script. Alright, this is message 15. Yeah, you can make some really good events, and plus since Heart Gold and Soul Silver have all these different Pokemon NPC dudes you can like. I was able to do some like Mystery Dungeon-esque scripts in Garbage Gold. You could have like Grovile and Dusknor and all of them walking around. Alright, so this guy's gonna give a TM, I think. What TM do we want? Heart gold TMs. We're also going to need to make this something that the legendary Pokemon can learn. So let's actually see what the user has. So recently, yeah, you can get dragon types and rock types, ice. Yeah, maybe psychic TM would be good. Fighting. Maybe you don't want to give a TM. You give a damage boosting item, like a black belt, because you are guaranteed a fighting type here. Actually, I think I'll give a black belt. Item 241. Alright, script 3. So. Alright, so let's grab the macro for this. And we want to make this, what item number is this? 241. 241, and we're going to give 1 black belt. Now we also need to increment a variable for this. What other variables do I have? 5405D. I actually want to check this. Wait, what script is this guy? 3? This is script 3. Alright. And we also want to compare var value, and we're going to use the variable number 405D. I should check if I used this before. Okay, I haven't. Check if this is 0. Jump if greater? Wait. Yeah. Yeah, so jump if greater. We want to make a new function. Make function 22. What do we want him to say? Alright, 25. Let's do 25. Oh yeah, release all. Oops, don't want to forget that. I've done that before. That makes it so that nothing goes back to being the way it's supposed to. Alright, release all. Alright. Oh, oops. 0x. Yeah, there we go. Jump if greater function, and I said 22? Yeah, function 22. Nice, there we go. Alright, so, and then we want the last thing to be, alright, I'm not feeling the rap today, I'll be honest. Alright, listen to this today. This is a good one. I love, dude, this guy's music is so good. I actually had some of his instrumental stuff at my wedding. It was super good. Alright. Alrighty. so you are walking around, and I need. Yeah, wait, let's check function 9. I think I need to increment it there. Yeah, let me just set var 0x 405D to be 1. So that way he doesn't give you another item. Hopefully this works well in game. Alright. I think we have all the NPCs in this town done. We also need to do the Pokemon Center. All the people in here. Alright, so you need to check... Oh, I wanted to do the spawnables for that. Yeah, hold up, we need to add more spawnables. Also, I need to check what the move permissions for this are. So we go map files, check this out, move permissions. That is such a... Why do I have that? That seems really weird. Yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense. You know, it'd be really cool if you could jump into these holes. What if I kind of want to try that out. I have to make a new map for it though. I think I'll do that at a different time. I'll leave that. I'll put that in the notes though. Maybe mahogany, town holes, jumpable. Alright. I think that would be a good thing to do, like, once most more of the game is done. It's kind of an extra thing, but we do want to be able to... Okay, let's actually make a script for this. So this needs to be activated from any direction. Script to activate. Let's make a new script. Script 12. Lock all, and then we're gonna do message. I need to make a new message. Let's also save this. So it's very easy to forget to save the text archives, which is very sad. Oh, what hole am I talking about? The ones in this hole right here, Kenzie. This guy. So it'd be cool if you could jump down here and like find a new area. There's like some stuff down there, but I haven't really planned that out, so I don't want to get ahead of myself since I don't have a map for it. But I will make at least a script that will at least like tell you that there's a hole there, and then later I'll add a new map for it to warp you to. Alright, script 12. So lock all, message 26. Close message. Oh, I do play fanfare. 1500. Close message. And then we're going to release all. And I really wish you could put comments in here and have it compile right, but that's asking a lot. Alright. Alright, now we do the thing called duplicating this thing a bajillion times. So this is script 12, so then we go script 12, hit save, and now we're going to start duplicating this thing. Duplicate, duplicate. So now anywhere where you click on it, now it will activate that. So there's a hole there. And maybe we get rid of... this one and this one since they're kind of on the edge. Yeah, yeah, I think that's better. And this will say the other thing. This needs to be here. Script to activate 7. Show board 3. What? Board icon 17, 19.
Slide the lock and close my eyes. Hide behind this thin disguise. Time to kiss myself goodnight. Turn out the light. The don't disturb sign from my door is hanging on my heart.
All right.
I set the clock to 10:30.
You said, oh, this is a really cool idea. I planned some of the stuff in Volcano Map, but not with the same tile. I think it was empty tile where rock can be pushed in using strength in Gen 5. Oh, I see what you're saying. That's really cool. Yeah, I definitely want. You can definitely do so much cool stuff by having a couple extra scripts to manipulate things. Alright, so then we want to probably have the same thing over here. So many. So many. Also want to check to make sure these overlap with the thing you can't walk over. Yeah, looks right. So these should line up. Looks good. Be kind of cool to put like an underground puzzle here. I'd like to do that. Cool. These guys. Script 1, script 2. I don't think these guys say anything important. Let's go find out what they do. What header is it? So you have to check the header. This goes header 133. Let's probably save this first. 133. Also save the scripts and save the texts so that we don't mess that up. Alright. 133. Oh. Dog, no way. Come on. I literally just opened it. I hate when DSP redoes this. Alright, script 1, script 2. Open texts. Alright, let me need to also do this person's script. The question is here. Do I want to do anything special in this house? I don't think so. I think I want this just to be more flavor text. Because I have a lot of stuff planned for Volo's Rift and the above the gauntlet, so I don't want to go too crazy with that. Alright, what time is it? 5? I might need to be done soon, but I'm gonna see what I can get done. Let's actually get rid of these checks. Message 1. Alright, so now I think we have all the text we need this done. Alright, yeah, I'll get rid of the functions we don't need. Great, and now I think we just need to do the Pokemon Center and we'll be done with this stupid town. Yo, there's some fire engine shit going? Give me a second. Alright. Fire truck just came by, just zipped out of there. Alright, whatever. Alright, we're back. Let's do this. Alright, Pokemon Center is next. So let's find the header for this. 246. It's this one. Open script. Let's darkness through the desert. Alright, scripts 2, 3, and 4. Oh. Alright, so message 0, 1, and 2. We need to add it.
You hit the mark.
It is apparently and after yes after Sinnoh's, so it's apparently named after one of Sinnoh's champions ancestors. The whole place gives off a creepy vibe. Okay.
And you know one day got the heat, yeah. Not just me, now it's sweet lately. Yeah, I know that sounds so sweet, yeah. All for me, I don't need maybe.
Okay.
Cause your love ain't out of reach, yeah. Yeah, I'm riding for
Cool.
you. I'll always be there when you call me, I ain't lying to you. Oh yeah, you know I got your back, I'm always fighting for you.
You should make a tutorial on how to build an HD engine ROM. They now shared the randomizer in the server. Yeah, I saw the randomizer was having troubles with people who had added like Pokemon slots for like the new stuff or whatever, new forms. I think someone was trying to make a Mega form for one of the new Gen 9 Mons or something. I wasn't quite sure what that was about. But yeah, I should definitely... I actually did make a tutorial on how to install HD Engine, but that was an older version, and my mic was super bad. You couldn't hear what I was saying, so I'm gonna have to re-record that. I do, however, have my current HG engine here. I probably should start adding these trainers into the game. So let's actually do that now. So RMIPS data trainers. Let's open this in VS Code. Don't mind my like fecal colored text editor here. We're gonna edit that in a second. Alright, cool. So let's go back to so right now we're gonna go back to Winter's Edge, which is right here. We're gonna edit the trainers. I think I should do this as I go so I don't forget to do them. So Winter, let's open up events. So first we got Pokemaniac Zach 406. Alright, so let's search up 406 in here. This is Zach. Wait.
For anyone that doesn't know God,
I'm not feeling the song. This is a good one. This is a good instrumental. Yeah, I should definitely make a tutorial on HG Engine. It's like the newest thing coming up. I think people really want to know how to use it. Okay. The Pokemaniac Zach. Wait. Oh wait, I already used this guy. Hold on. Wait, no, this guy I already used. That's a problem. Oh wait, did I also use the Ace Trainers? What about this? No, I did not. I didn't use these ones. Okay. We're gonna have to edit this a little bit. Yeah, this is why I didn't get rid of these. Weird that it might be weird to have a fisherman not have the have the correct. Dude, what was I about to do? This guy. Yeah, we want to check out. Dude, I have way too many tabs open. This is how it always goes. Okay, so. Yeah, we can't use Pokemaniac Zach, unfortunately, because he's already used in another area. So we could just choose different guy over here. I don't want to use Psychic. I could. See, bird keepers and psychics and fishermen are all themed trainers. We could just change what type this guy is. Instead of Pokemaniac, we could have gonna have to open up the different types. We could go. Wait, can't we see these in Trainer Editor now? I think Mixone's fork of DSP lets you do that. Yeah, you can. Okay. So we could make this another Ace Trainer. Okay. So that's the first Ace Trainer. So we're gonna need to actually change. We also need to find a new number for this guy. Alright, so 409 is not used. Make this guy Brandon. So Ace Trainer. Wait, what is this? Pokefan class. Ace Trainer, and okay, so this is gonna be a male Ace Trainer, and you can Ace Trainer Brandon, and we're gonna have to make his sprite look the same. So wait, these are Ace Trainers, right? Yeah. So this is 324. Yeah. So let's give this guy the right sprite. You have to make the sprites line up, right? Yeah. Here we go. You say, I tried to build one, but I'm such a newbie to this, I don't even know how to open a specific folder, whatever. Oh, what, are you on Windows? Because if you're not on Windows, the tutorial will be completely, like, obsolete for you. I just followed the stuff on the Wikipedia and it eventually worked, or in the wiki, then it eventually worked. Right. But yeah, I can definitely make a tutorial. Alright, so here's the thing. We need to copy all of these flags So we're gonna pull this over and see all these flags. We're gonna copy basically this guy's entire trainer structure. Not the whole thing, but we need to copy this because we need to give him the right trainer flags in HG Engine. And we're gonna do Brandon first. So let's do this. This will make me able to change specific stuff that I need to change, like the abilities and EVs, IVs, Numons. What do I have for this? Numons. I'm gonna need 3. I also need the trainer flags as well to be these. I think. Yeah, we're gonna need those. It's really important not to copy paste everything because you can really mess stuff up. Okay, single battle, great. The party you can copy and paste and then just edit bit by bit. Which is what I'm gonna do here. So we get party for 6. We're gonna grab the first 3 as a template, and we're going to put them in here. Alright, so now we have the template. I think these are tabbed. I don't think ASM is white space oriented, so we'll be fine. Alright, now we can start putting these in. So species, Rowlet, and I will also have to probably pull the most recent changes from HG Engine. Item. Why did I focus sash this thing? Someone's gonna hate me for that. So you can't one tap it. Moves. Air cutter. Leech. Seed. Mega drain. U-turn. It's gonna be overgrow. And IVs are gonna be maxed as always. It's gonna be level 14. These actually don't do anything. I gave this thing speed, so 252. This is a defense slot. This is the speed slot. 252. Speed. What nature was it? Timid. So I gave it some speed. Okay. And I don't think this thing has a shiny sprite yet. Actually, we can just check. What is it called? Let's check if Rowlet has a sprite that's shiny. I don't think so. Oh, it's second frame, no, but it does have a shiny front sprite. Okay, cool. We'll make this thing shiny. And I'll give it a random ball seal, and we'll go through and do the rest of these. So we got a level 15 stuff full item. I gave this thing an oranberry. Yeah, so stuff that's not in a gauntlet, I'm okay with giving better items. Alright, Kenzie asks, how do you plan every trainer's mon? Did you make each team Pokemon Showdown? So I actually have, I do use Showdown to plan these. So I just kind of look up their moveset on here. Typically what I'll do is I'll have like a type in mind, and so for instance, this one, I knew I wanted to have a Rowlet. I also wanted to have some variety of other types. I think I want to have some normal types, and so something I'll do is like I'll go, like if I want a rock type, I'll go rock, and I'll sort by base stat total, and make sure like the base stat total is at an appropriate point in the game. I'll pick one, and then I'll make a move set. So like if I want a Sudowoodo, I just choose moves from here that I think are appropriately powered for the point in the game. Sometimes I'll give it setup, sometimes I won't. And sometimes I'll give it like a meme move like Focus Punch just to keep the player on their toes. And plus I think getting hit by Focus Punch is really funny for like a stream or whatever. I also like giving lots of coverage moves. Since you're gonna have like only legendaries in this game, you're gonna need to have some difficulty. Also, I did make Dual Chop animation, I think it's really cool, so I'm gonna show that off here. I was able to contribute a little bit to HG Engine a couple weeks ago. I finally pushed my move animations that I did. Took me a couple weeks to do those. But yeah, happy that I could help out there since Blue's done so much for the community. Alright, so we want Impish Nature. Yeah, also I plan out the natures. I like to emphasize more defensive mons because hyper offensive can be really difficult to deal with if you have bad encounters. That's my design philosophy. Lechonk. I definitely don't know if Lechonk is even implemented yet in my version because I have not pulled the recent version in a while. I'll have to do that. Alright, Lechonk. Also, I love Roap Berry, but this guy's gonna have a Salak Berry. And we're gonna have Headbutt. Amnesia. Also gonna have a also gonna have Gauntlet that the Morty Gauntlet's gonna be Auto Trick Room since it's gonna be in a really spooky cave. I think that'll be cool. And also another thing in this game is all of the Galactic Gauntlets have randomized Pokemon order, but they're all like monotypes, so it doesn't really matter. I really think it's cool to have a little bit more, not RNG, but you have to adapt on the fly to what your opponent does. Alright, so Thick Fat ability, and we want 100 HP EVs. The EVs, I just pick a multiple of 4 that seems appropriate. I've played a ton of Pokemon, so I just kind of go with my gut most of the time. Usually it works out. Sometimes it doesn't though. Sometimes these things are way too hard. As was evidenced by youngster Joey in the very first trainer, the game was way too hard. So that's why we play test, I guess. Alright, so we got the Chonk. Alright, first trainer done. Let's try to get these 2 done. And then we'll try and pull the update from HG Engine to make sure things are correct. Alright. Ace Trainer Allen. Mr. Allen, where are you? There you are. So we're going to do the same deal here. We're going to take some of the trainer flags and place them where they need to be. Let's copy paste from here. So these are pretty similar. You also want to be very careful not to copy and paste the party number because then it'll start referencing the wrong party. I've done that before, and it was very silly. Alright, so let's do our Honedge here. This is single battle. I think I have all the right flags here. Alright, and also setting all of this stuff up took me a while. I had to read through the wiki a bunch of times before I got it right, but it's on the HG Engine wiki. Alright. Ace Trainer Allen. Good sir. I'm gonna give you a Honedge. And you're gonna be level 14. Did I give this guy the right level with Lechonk? Yes, I did. And you are going to have no item, because you are already very strong. Sharpen. Sometimes I'll give moves that just seem right, like Sharpen. Sharpen on a sword seems kind of on the nose, but I like it. Give things like Metal Claw, Cut. I like to give him moves that make sense. I've noticed that people in who play ROM hacks like it when the moves make sense rather than just being like kind of OP. Like you wouldn't believe the number of Pokemon that can learn Icy Wind, but it doesn't make sense on everything, you know. Adamant, yeah. Is it Honedge? Have a shiny. Yes, it does. Oh yeah, that's right. They finished all the sprites for the earlier gens. Yeah, so Kenzie, scripting is the last step of making a new area. I map it, make the events, and then start working on a new area. Yeah, that's actually pretty close to my workflow. I think I had a, I think I made a video on my workflow. I think I did. I think it's somewhere on my channel. Either that or I recorded it and didn't upload it. Yeah, but basically, I like to have the map first so that I know like where I'm placing things, and it helps me kind of flesh out the story. Because I don't know the story for most of Mythic Silver. I have a general idea of like what's gonna happen in the end, but the middle part is completely like still yet to be determined. So I am also experiencing this story for the first time, I guess. You're gonna have a car or bink. Yeah, Carbank. Yeah, so some of these aren't autofilling because they've never been used before in this text editor. So that's why. Alright. Item. Berry. That's how you spell that. Berry. So we can't just spam steel types on this thing. And we want self-destruct because that's a funny move. And this thing also has like a thing has a negligible stat. Hey, you wanna come in? You wanna say hi to everyone? This is Hannah. You can say hi to everyone. You got a wave from our chat. Yeah. Yeah, Hannah helps me do cover art for these games because she is way more artistically oriented than I am. I can code stuff, but man, like, I can't draw. Alright, trick room. We also want to give this thing sturdy. Also, the reason I am choosing the abilities instead of just keeping them as an ability slot is because there's a glitch in Heart Gold where it will sometimes just give you the wrong ability, and I don't know why. It's happened to other people as well. Alright, so this thing's gonna have a lot of defense. So I feel okay about giving something a lot of defense, making it sort of a wall you have to break, because then you have more time to like think about what you want to do, whereas if it has too much attack, it's kind of hard to deal with. Yeah, Kenzie, same. I can't do sprites. Those are above my pay grade. I have tried editing sprites and I make them look so bad. I had to throw out the ideas I had. Alright. Alright, we also need as long as we don't try to catch this, we can just... Oh, wait, I need to check whether or not... Was it Mon-Nums? Yeah, it's Mon-Nums. So Whooper... Should be another form. Whooper... Oh! Paldean Whooper is already in. Okay, wait, so I guess... I'm up to date on the forms at least. I need to pull the sprites, though. Alright, species, Paldean Whooper. This is definitely not the way Blue Rose wants me to do this, but it works, so... Suck it. Not feeling the rap right now. Wait. Alright, so we got Paldean Whooper, and we are going to give this thing Mud Slap. And Whirlpool. Poison Tail. And, oh yeah, I gave this thing Recover. I don't think it's gonna really have enough like hit points to really sustain long enough to use it, but it might be cool. Ability. Poison. Point. Let's see what else. Shuck a Berry. Okay, what EVs? We give this thing 100 attack. I don't know why I gave this thing attack. Let's actually give it 100 HP. We're making this thing bulky. Why did I give it attack? Okay. Let's do that. That makes a lot more sense. Nature, serious. I don't think this thing has a shiny sprite yet. My limit is recoloring some textures. Yeah, dude, same. I actually, most of the textures I made for Volo's Rift were just recolored from other things. So this is just Chargestone Cave recolored. That's most of what it is. And you can see these kind of like little like spoots on the ground right here. Also just recolored. As are these rocks. I did a lot of recoloring stuff for... oh yeah, this is also something I recolored. I made these look more like dark metallic rather than like wooden. What else did I do? Oh yeah, these trees are recolored. I also took the leaves off of these. This is the only like spriting stuff that I've actually done successfully. It looks a little weird, but I kind of like it. It's a little cracked with magma flow. Try using vertex. I actually don't know how to use vertex colors. I've never done that before. If you have like a link to a tutorial, I'd actually love to learn though. Because I know vertex colors, especially for lava, is kind of necessary. Otherwise, you're just gonna like change color during the day. That looks really weird. Alright. Alright. Ace Trainer Allen is done. Last up, we got Ace Trainer Sybil? I don't know how to say that. And 3 Mons. Single battle. Alright, let's copy paste the template. Okay, open the tile set editor. Okay, yeah, actually let me take a look at that right now since you guys are in chat. Okay, so you say open the tile set editor. Alright, tile set editor, and what do you say? Select the tile and try coloring the little points with the brush. I see. Okay, let me actually go down to the lava tile. You said it was meant for exterior maps, so good for interiors and caves. Well, fortunately we have a lot of caves, so that'll be very applicable. Yeah, here we go. So we got this, and I think I remember seeing this. Edit vertex colors. It says use vertex colors here. Edit vertex. Oh, I never saw this tab before. I feel silly. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, so these are the vertices. These are the per face. Got vertex. I see. Okay, it says use left click for painting vertices, use mouth wheel for rotating the model. Oh, okay, that's how you rotate it. Cool. Okay, so I can probably pick colors here. I am assuming, so grab vertex color? Can I do that? Okay, so I can't. Is there a way to like... Okay, can you explain to me how these work? Each vertex you color only colors a part of the tile, otherwise it's just like Photoshop recoloring. So does this like make it so that the color is always that color in game no matter what? Is that the idea here? Also, is there an undo button here in case I mess this up? Okay, so if I make this like... Is there no black? Oh yeah, I can change it to here. There we go. So I guess this one, we want this to be... Oh, oops. All vertex mode. Okay, so I'll make the brush maybe a little bit smaller. Okay. Okay, it's meant to already use the color. Okay. You can change color in the top right corner. Yeah. So do I want to match these to the color that's already there? So like, I probably want to make this guy here orange then, right? Yeah, the recolored tiles will no longer be affected by day-night changes. Okay, that's what I thought. Because I know that kind of changes the light-dark contrast. Okay, so if I like make this orange, Oh! Oh, okay. I see. I understand now. Can I Control Z that? I can't. Oh. So is there like a way to undo this in case I mess it up? You can reverse it super easy just by recoloring it with a white tile. Oh, I get it now. I 100% understand. Okay. That is solid. Okay, so I can just grab these vertex colors and then do this and go boom. Oh. Okay. Yeah, 255 and every color is white. Yeah, and then 000 is black. Okay, cool. Okay. So if okay, let's actually just go through it. So should I do each of these vertices so that it looks right, or do I just need to do one of them? What is the recommended way? Because I've never tested this in game before. I'll actually try it. Yeah. This is kind of like close. Also, there's per face mode. I wonder what that is. I never knew this tool existed. Alright, so I color this, makes everything a little more reddish. I kind of don't mind that. Kind of nice. Kind of like how it's a little bit... Yeah, I actually kind of like that. A little bit more saturation. And then... that makes that black. Let me see. Oh, I see. So you okay. I just use them. I see. Okay. Cool. I also need to animate this thing. Thanks for sending me the animation link too. I need to animate these lava tiles, or I could just use the one I got from Platinum. I'm not sure yet though. Okay.
Say the flow is sounding like a mixtape. They ain't see it coming like a fast break. They ain't see it coming like Jordan hitting jumpers. Yeah, they asked me when that new music about to drop. Ain't that what I gave you last week? Yeah. Oh, you done it now. Feels like I'm coming up and spit it like I'm underground. Wonder how I come into your city like I run a
Alright.
started on stage. Now we in the crowd.
I was fire, I was coasting, I was fighting my emotions. I was fire, I was frozen, I was going.
Alright, so let's keep these vertex colors for now. And then... okay, and then we need to go find this material, I'm assuming, and select use vertex colors. What is the name of this? This is called... Lava OBJ. Oh, these are PNG, hold on. In 81 Magu. Okay. These are just not in order, are they? Wait. What? 00? Yeah, wait, this should be like right with these. Am I stupid? Why can't I find this? You ping me in Discord screen of Silas using them. Okay. Oh wow, that's actually crazy how much that changes things. Wow, that really does make it such a difference in how like rich the map looks. Well, thank you for showing me that. Okay, so Alright, so I guess I'll just leave the vertex colors the way they are. I don't know if this actually changes anything the way it is. Anyway, I'll look at this at another time when I think understand this a little bit better. Oh wait, no, it's right here. Wait, use vertex colors. Use vertex colors. I don't know what a lot of these things mean. But yeah, it's a really big deal in caves. Yeah, I can imagine so. I might need to go take a look at that. Okay, looks good for now. Anyway, back to what we were doing real quick. Let's try to finish up these trainers. But thank you for letting me know how that stuff works. I didn't even know that tab existed. What is this song doing? So, let's get on this dude right here. So we have Clobopus. What a name for a Pokemon. Imagine being called Clobopus. What do you think of that, Hannah?
What?
Being called Clobopus. This guy here. He's called Clobopus. He's a octopus and he fights you.
Okay.
Alright, items. Guy's got an Oranberry. We have Power Up Punch, but I actually just reskinned Mega Punch. Headbutt. Mud Shot. Yeah, I'm really glad I started streaming these development things. It's a lot more fun doing this with people around and watching and stuff. Feels a little bit less lonely. Just kind of chugging away at the stuff. You're not interacting with me! You're playing a little to the left!
No, I'm not. I'm actually doing work.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm also doing work. Not really. Ability, Technician. And we're gonna give this thing, 100 defense. And Adamant Nature. Alright. I don't want this thing to be shiny though. Why is this not anywhere else? This should be... it should be in the constants somewhere. Move numbs. Yeah, it is. I just haven't used it yet. So Feint is actually Swift Strike. I have a bunch of custom moves for this, but I have some from Garbage Gold. The Pokemon's French name is Gulpaf. Pinsdefa. Dude, some of these names are just off the walls. Like, I don't even know what the localization is like when they have people like translate this to other languages. It must be gnarly. Alright, Cubfu is level 14. And this is gonna be Cubfu. We're gonna give you the Scope Lens. His critical hits are funny. What was that?
I'm trying to see how big the lag is.
How big the what?
The lag is.
Oh, yeah, I think it's a couple seconds. I think I turned it to be as low lag as possible.
I also want to make sure it doesn't make too much noise.
No, you're good. Oh, yeah, I have it set to ultra low latency.
5, 6 seconds.
That's as good as it gets. Alright. Karate Chop. Payback. Aqua Jet. Yeah, so I wanted to give this guy some moves from both Urshifu. So Payback, Dark Move, Aqua Jet, Water Move. And then obviously a fighting move and Karate Chop. I think that's kind of cool. Inner Focus. And I want to give this thing max speed. Because Urshifu's always run max speed. And nature is bold. We want this to be jolly max speed. Does this guy have a shiny sprite? I doubt it. No, he does not have... Oh, he does have a shiny sprite. Yeah, I'll do shiny here. Alright, then we need Pancham. Pancham's gonna be level 14. This might be kind of low level wise. I kind of want to make this thing level 15. Because what level cap is 13, and these are all kind of. Oh, wait. I mean, yeah, it makes sense for these things to overlevel you because they're all unevolved. I'll leave it at 15, I think. Item. Chopple. Chopple Berry. We give it low sweep. I love using the new moves, and especially their new animations. They're so cool. Woke up. Taunt. And Scrappy. Alright. Trainers are now done for at least this first part that we just did, so let's take a look. We have gotten all of this done. I kind of feel like this needs to have something in it. Could use a level script here. I might actually need to erase some level scripts too. Actually, yeah, let's actually do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's add something here. So we're gonna actually put Saturn on this area. It's like Sprite 222 or something. No, that's where Cyrus is. I think it's further down. Yeah, Saturn, we want you here. Okay. Which may have tabs be keeping up when one is ROM hacking, absolutely. Hannah, tell your wife your viewers think you should get a second monitor as a birthday gift, just in case. Sadness, my birthday was in October. I was actually thinking about this, like, today, though, about getting a second monitor. But I don't know where I'd put it. Like, I don't have room. My desk is really small.
We both need a better desk setup.
Yeah.
In a perfect world, I would do a custom desk. Like, get some legs and like a nice deep like butcher block, stain it real nice, like set it up.
Yeah. Well, when we have our own house, we'll have probably more room for that, but this apartment doesn't really allow us.
Also, I don't want to build something custom to a room.
Yeah.
And then we have to do it. Like,
Yeah. I would love a second monitor, but I just got this one recently. I will look at this later. It's an independently identical beta.
This is for what's happening.
So let's make our first cutscene of the day. Even though I've been at this for 2 hours already. Alright, so we have to add a trigger. 16418. And this is gonna be 10, and we have to actually open scripts for this. We're gonna have to open the texts. Yeah, it's my end of demo text right there. Yeah, alt tabbing every 10 seconds. Yeah, I have so many tabs open. This is kind of par for the course. I actually like turned my computer on today and there's no tabs, and then all of this today, this is just for ROM hacking. Oh yeah, here's my title screen. Alright. This trigger. I want this. Alright. Alright, got this trigger here. So this is gonna trigger an event. Actually, it might be better to just have you here do 2 separate ones. And have this a little smaller. And let's duplicate this. Make this wide instead. Okay. And have it go over here. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Alright, script to trigger, scripts. For this we have script 5. Alright, script 5. So we are going to want to do script 5 for this one and script 6 for this one. They're going to be slightly different. I'm probably going to copy paste most of it, which is terrible coding practice, but you know what? Oops. Alright. Alright. Let's do this one first. Script 5. So the idea here is pretty simple. We're going to have a cutscene where Saturn sees us, says something about the avalanche pass, and he's going to walk away. And so we're going to need to give this guy a flag associated so he doesn't respawn afterwards. This is why it was important to plan out all of these flags here. So I'm going to give this guy 487. So flag 487. We also have to make sure that flag 487 is cleared before this. So this is, you have to write down. So Saturn in Winter's Edge. Okay. Oh wait, did I mess this up? Oh gosh. Yeah, I messed this up. So this guy, hold on, I should have made a new NPC. This is 324. Yeah, I messed this up. 324. Yeah, sorry. You were supposed to be over here. We're gonna need to make a new one. Yeah. I accidentally overwrote one. That could have been bad. Alright, Saturn, here we go. So he's gonna stand here. This is also gonna shift the camera too. This is the technique I learned. What happened? Oh, I accidentally just deleted an NPC instead of adding a new one, that's all. I did a little silly. Okay. And I also want you to be this. Okay, this needs to be 487 for you. So you have to. So the flag associated with this NPC just means that if the flag is set to true, then the NPC will disappear, and it's useful for cutscenes. Okay, so this is script 5. So we're gonna do lock all. We need a release all and an end. And then in the middle of this, we're gonna have our fun little cutscene. So the first thing we want to do is move the camera, and I have this macro here set up for it. So we're gonna copy paste that, and it basically just gets the player position, sets the camera to that position, and then it can like move it around. So we want to look down, I think 3. So we need an action for that. So we need action 1, walk down fast, UX3, and then we have to do undo this with action 2, walk up fast, end. Okay. So this should be action 1. So you're actually telling the camera how to walk around, which is kind of weird, but that's how the game handles it. There's like an invisible NPC that the camera is centered at. I think that's how this works. Alright, so we want to look down 1. Oh, hello. 1, 2, 3, so that Saturn will be centered in the screen since he's the one talking. And we do movement over world. See what number he is. He's ID 7. And we're gonna give him, he's gonna like exclamation point and then CS, so action 3. Now he's gonna exclamation, and then he's also going to walk up fast sight 0x2, which means he's gonna walk in place, kind of look upwards, and shows that he's talking. So action number 3, so I'm just telling him this overworld's gonna do this movement. Okay. So then he's going to say something to us.
Make a home for the lonely. Shepherding orphans to put them in
North of Mahogany Slum.
I call weakness, you call mighty. I know your goodness is coming.
Investigation. That may not. Yeah. Also, parsing this text can be a problem sometimes if you make it run off the screen. All right. It is not possible to have a dynamic camera like that with platinum based that ASM. Oh, I actually didn't know that. Yeah, Heart Gold is kind of goated for hacking at this point. Like my first hack was in platinum, but I'm realizing why Heart Gold is better for a lot of reasons. The only thing I will say is that platinum soundtrack is so much better, and which is why I'm importing my own custom music so I don't have to listen to it. Do you want to stop our investigation? I dare you to give chase. Alright. Alright, so this should be the little interaction we get with him. Alright, so message 3. Close message. Then he's gonna like walk off the screen. And so he's gonna come. Right, so this is where he starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so he's gonna go down 6 left. Okay. Action 4, Walk down very fast, 0x5. Walk left very fast, 0x6. And okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to give this guy the command to actually leave the screen, and we're gonna do something fun. It's called moving the camera while the NPCs are moving. It's not hard to do, you just have to make sure you have your weight movement in the right spot. So movement, overworld.7, action, I think I said 4. So now he's gonna walk down as the camera moves up. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to test this very easily. Okay. Okay. Actually, let's... Alright, so now he's gonna walk down and out. Okay, so we release the camera. We have to wait movement, and I'm going to want to remove overworlds. Overworld.7? Yeah, so this will actually remove him from the screen, but only temporarily. We'll also have to set flag. Oh, yeah, that's not how you spell flag. 487. So now his NPC actually won't show up permanent. This is the permanent, this is the temporary until you leave the area. And then the last thing we need to do is increment the variable to 11 so it doesn't reactivate. So set var 402 and we'll make this 11, I think. Okay, cool. So now that should be good. The only thing we need to look at, yeah, making some Spielberg scenes with this camera. Yeah, we're making some good stuff here. Alright, now we have to copy this and make one for if we activate it on the other direction. So all that really means is we're just going to move the camera over in a different direction. So camera action, we're going to do action 5. And we're going to walk, let's see how it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move it over 4. You have the fire. Alright, so walk left fast 0x4 and action 6. Walk right fast 4. Okay, so as long as you undo the camera to where it was before, you're good to go. If you don't, then it gets kind of stuck in the wrong place. Okay, so now script 6 will have camera action 5 and camera action 6. Everything else should be the same, except, oh, action 3, he needs to turn right here. Action 7. Alright, walk. Oh, anyway, we're gonna need to do this. There's exclamation and walk right fast sight, which means he stomps in place. And give him that action. And still have the same exit, still all the same there. Okay. Alright, good. So this is, I think, a watertight script. Now you need to go over... Yeah, this place looks kind of empty. We'll have to modify this in a little bit. Let's go back to Mahogany Town. And let me actually save this script file, save the text file, and the music's still too loud. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Let me know if that's okay. Wait, what am I doing? I can actually just turn this down in the stream. I can just, I think do this. This should make it quieter. Yeah, so then I can also hear it too, because I know it's a little too quiet for me. Alright, let me know if that's okay. I actually don't know how to do that in the stream right now. I kind of like to just have some like quiet music in the back for everyone, so it doesn't seem too quiet when I'm not talking. I need to make this script 11. That is so loud. Oh my gosh, there go my ears. Yeah, let me know if you can even hear the music at this point. Okay, we also need to open up the script. I need to make sure that the script has the right increment now, because I modified this. So, script, wait. Yeah, script 10. Yeah, we need to check out 10. Yeah, so now this needs to be 12. Yeah. Great. Good, put a snowstorm background sound as you're making a snowy area. Yeah, that'd be cool. Is there even one built into the game? I'm not even sure. I'd like to if there is. Anyway, yeah, I'll definitely think about that. But I do... Oh, so I want to maybe put... No, the idea for Winter's Edge was no snow. But the one for Avalanche Pass was yes, snow. Okay, so let me actually pop over to Avalanche Pass. What does this guy say? Actually, let's find out what header this is so I can give him some text. 142. Let me save this. Save this. 142. Oh. Oh, you're talking about the stream. I didn't realize. Might be. Okay. Why are there two of these? It's kind of weird. Okay. What is this flag? 202? Did I check this one out? Nope, this is the new flag that I can use. Sweet. Message 0. Alright. Okay. So that's that guy. He has the proper stuff now. It's kind of loud. Alright. Oh, we also need to map the encounters too. I need to actually edit the encounters. And I also need to add new grass to stuff. I need to do that today. Okay, so you have this area. Alright, so this is the beginning of the gauntlet. I don't think I'm gonna do this one today. I also keep these warps over here. Don't need them. Alright. Did I do this area correctly? This is Avalanche Pass. That is... Nope, that's not it. That is also not it. That is... Duh, it's this one. There we go. Forgot to save. Oopsie. Alright, put the item here. I get rid of these warps so I don't accidentally warp. Save. Alright. Now... I think I made this snowy already. Yeah, I did. Alright, we're gonna add... nope, did not want to do that. We want to add new overworlds to this. Also, that's the other thing I wanted to check was the map. No, not this one. This one. Right, so this guy's gonna need... Oh, it doesn't even have the warps on it? Oh gosh. Alright, let's go fix that actually. Alright, so this is 6E. This is warp up. And it's in that hole right there. So let's go here. Is there supposed to be a building there? I don't remember actually. I should probably get the vanilla open. Yeah, let's do that. Need to make sure it's the same. Hacking tools. Yeah, let's open up a vanilla version of this and compare it. Nope, wrong one. Alright, how does this look? Alright, let's open up this map file. Yeah, already 2 hours have passed since the stream began, so time consuming. Yeah, dude, tell me about it. Alright. So bottom 3 are red tiles. Let's do that. And then this needs to be, what is that? 6F. Just warp down. Just needs to be here. Cool. Yeah, this is about how long ROM hacking usually takes for me. I'm actually going faster than normal, and I think that's just because I have motivation too. People are watching. Yeah. Okay. So... Great, so that's done. Save the bin again just to make sure. And now these... Let's actually reload this area real quick. Good, now those are overlapping. There we go. Okay, so 2 something. Alright, you have Saturn here. Okay, we got a couple grunts here as well. This is entry 222, and I know I could duplicate them, but then they have the same overworld ID, and I don't want that. Because then it messes up some scripts. We also want Cyrus here, because we are going to fight him in this segment. Alright. I think they're supposed to... How many grunts do we have here? The stream's unlocking some ROM hack superpowers shit in your body. No, that's funny, dude. That's funny. No, it always takes this long. Ah, you're good, bro. You're good. All right, let's add. Okay, so how many grunts do we have in this? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this gauntlet. Is what I said I was gonna do. Alright. We have to have 6 in here then. I'll organize these guys in a second. Okay. We'll have some of these be the female grunts as well. Okay. Nah, dude, you're good. You're chilling. No worries. All right. So I kind of want these dudes to be up north more. So have you here. Have you here. Then have you here, have you here. Okay, I'm gonna make them a little bit symmetrical. Alright, this looks better. Alright. Yeah, my webcam's kind of covering that. Alright. And I want there to be a trigger here. You might want to split this up into multiple triggers. This is expected value of 12. Wait. Wait, I definitely messed something up in Mahogany Town. And this is 11? I need to increment this to 12 then. And this needs to... Yes, needs to be incremented to 12. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I was like, that's not... Something's not right here. Script 5. Keep my distance. Okay. I think we should make this 2 different scripts actually, or 3 even. And we also want to make this smaller, so have it. Yeah. Okay. So this one's gonna be script 5, this one's gonna be script 6, and they're gonna move the camera in opposite directions so that it's centered. This is really sketchy though. The other thing with all these NPCs, it just takes so long to organize them. Alright, I think I like this setup here. It's not the worst in the world. Okay, good. Now, let's... I don't think I need to give these things any... Oh. Actually, I'm gonna need to give them... These all need to be flag 505. I should have done that to start. Great. This also reminds me that I didn't do the clear flag part for Saturn before. So let's go actually fix that. So this needs to be here, I think. Okay. Yeah, so this figure is gonna need to clear the flag 487. Yeah. Alright. Script 7. You're gonna clear flag 487, clear flag 505. You need to make sure those are hit set to false. And then we can go back to this. Alright, cool. Now these are all set up just fine. Okay, let's do this one first. Alright, let's start with the camera macro. I'm gonna have to eat soon. Hannah, are you hungry?
What?
Are you hungry? A little bit? Yeah, I'm also getting a little hungry. I'm gonna try to get this little... I'm gonna try and get this cutscene done and then you wanna eat? Alright. Yeah, I've been streaming for 2.5 hours. Alright. Movement macro, let's do this. Alright, action 1. Alright, script 5. I think up 2, up 3, over 2. Yep. Walk up fast. I'm just thinking if probably here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll be visible. Yeah, that's okay. And I need to do this fast. Action 2. We're gonna walk down fast. 3, walk left. Alright, I should undo that. Good. And action 2. Great. Oh, we also want to open up the texts for this. Oh, there's like nothing in here. What the heck? That's weird. Alrighty. And you need to be facing up. Alright, Overworld 9 is Cyrus. Let's do that first. I am definitely going to need to bug test this extensively later on. Okay. Walk down, down, fight 1. Okay. Now we're going to give him a message. To investigate the distortion in space. After a Pokemon. Its rank resides. Okay. Okay, now the question is, what is this grunt's number? 8248. Right. Okay, I think we're done with the text. Alright. Now I just have to put these texts in a way that makes sense. Weight movement. Yeah, if you forget the weight movements here. Sleep mate. Killing at my place is a pleasure. Yeah, alright. Alright, see you later. Thanks for coming for the stream. I appreciate all the stuff you showed me about vertex colors and all that. Hope to have you again. See ya. Alright. We are going to finish up this script. Alright. Alright. Weight movement. And we're going to do message. Okay. Yeah, what movement do we want to have here? It says 8. Movement over 8. Action. Message 1. Close message. And it's gonna look left. Alright. 6. And we're gonna make this action 5. Action 5. Alright. Action 5, I'll have him look left. Let's say his lines. Okay, we have to have that happen. Okay, move that guy. Alright, then this guy talks. That's message 3. And then Cyrus speaks again. Message 4, and he's gonna give action 7. Okay, action 7. Walk down fast. X1, and then he's gonna say his lines. Same thing with is your X1, action 8. So action message 5. Wait, movement. Okay, I'm gonna remove .9, so I can remove Cyrus from the screen. Oh, thanks, Dingus. Yeah, this is real time. This is not sped up like all my time lapses. This is how long it takes, which is why I find it a little frustrating when you get lots of shit talk from people who are like, "Oh, this is a shit game." It's like, bitch, lasagna, you didn't spend 100 hours doing this. So, anyway. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try and finish this up. Almost done. So remove overworld 9. So Cyrus is gonna be removed from the screen. And then we're gonna have Saturn talk again. Movement over world. Number of Saturn. I just looked. 6. 10. Wait. Oh, I have to have the one for 9. Walk up walk up fast. X5. And alright, this is for Cyrus, and then Saturn's gonna watch him. Look up. 1. Okay, so this is the action 10. You are also going to look up. Okay, 10. Okay, so I think this is good, and then we wait movement, we move that guy, and then Saturn looks down and says, lock down site. Yes, this is walk down site, but we're going to do it with Saturn, and so he's going to be 6. Okay, so he's going to be walk down site, and then movement, and message 6. Close message. And now you have to have everyone exit the screen that hasn't done so already. So Saturn walks up, I think 5 is enough. Action 11. Walk up very fast. 0x5. I want to make this quick. And I think okay. Movement overworlds. What is this guy? This is 6. I just said that he was 6. Movement overworld 6. Action 11, I think. Yeah. Okay, now we also want to do the same for these guys. So these need to go, okay, so 8, 11, and 12. Okay. 11 and 12. Action. Action 12. Walk right. Fast. We want walk up very fast. We want like 7, I think? No, 8. And then the same thing for the ones on the right, but the other direction. Walk left, fast. And walk up very fast. X8, end. Okay. These needs to be action 12. Alright, see you, Dingus. Thanks for coming to the stream. Stream. And 10, 13, 14. Need to do 7 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 11, 12, 10, 13, and 14. Great, and then we have to also clear flag, or set flag. Whoa, set flag 505. And then set that to 12. Oh, so that's a 13, I think? Yeah. Alright, I think this is good. $15. Alright, so we need 14 and 15 here instead. 14 camera, 15 camera. Okay, I think. Oh, forgot the end. Great. 6 and script 5. Okay, we just wrote like 100 lines of ASM code. That's great. All right. Alrighty. Well, next time we'll make the this gauntlet, and you all get to see the different areas we've made for this. This should be fun. I think I saved this one already. Let me save it again. All right. Knock with silence. Okay, let's actually open this. Yeah, so we want one of these items to be over here. And then another one to be one over here. Put some more items over here. Actually, it might be a good idea to leave. Let me have an item there. kind of cool to have one like right here, and one maybe on this ice puzzle. Forget how I wanted this ice puzzle to go. Take a look at the map actually that I made. Might be easier to do it that way. Okay. Go that way, that way, that way. Okay, that's not too hard. Put it like right there, that would work. Yeah, let's put it like right here. Alright, cool. Now I'll have to move around these guys all later. Have you considered making trainers one of the subscribers of Pokemon they want on their team? Yeah, so I actually do have a, if you check the stream description, there might, I don't know if you're in my Discord server or not. I assume you are if you're in the stream, but there is a channel, I think, in the Mythic Silver development for team submissions if you want. Yeah, if you want to put stuff in team submissions, go ahead and do that, and I can work your trainer in somewhere, but I might tweak it to make it like fit the game a little bit better. But if you want to give me specific Pokemon you want for your team, then absolutely, I'd love to like add your stuff into there. So yeah, if you want to make a like a showdown Poke Paste or something, that'd be usually best. All right, so. Alright, I think that's where we're going to end for today. So just a quick recap, everything we accomplished today in this stream. We added a little Saturn event in this area. We got 3 trainers in Winter's Edge implemented. We made sure our warps work. We got a couple custom scripts done, actually more than a couple scripts done in Mahogany Town. Might plan to make a little basement to the city, which could be cool. That'd be fun. Maybe we'll do that. We also scripted the Cyrus and company here. It did a lot of text edits in Mahogany Town. Got some items done here and inserted 3 trainers into the game. So not bad progress for one day. We also learned about vertex colors, which is pretty cool. Oh, I thought my stream froze. Let's see. We don't need this anymore. Alright, so let's see. What else do we want to look at? I guess I need to add the grunts to this area. We'll do that next time. Yeah, so this area extends up to here. Alright, cool. Wait, so this technically... Wait, hold on. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm gonna have to move around these items then. Okay, that's I'll make a note to do that later, since they're not gonna be loaded. Move avalanche pass items to correct event files. Otherwise, these items I just moved around aren't going to show up. And I know that from experience, and they're just not in the right header file. So yeah, some of these items need to be moved around. It's okay though. It's not hard to fix in the slightest. Alright, well, I'm going to make a save. This needs avalanche pass gauntlet. Alright, save. Repack the Norks. Good. It's all set. Yeah. So hope y'all yummy. Alright, well, hope you all had a good stream. This is the first time we've done something like this, so I hope that you enjoyed. And if you want me to do more of these, let me know in my Discord server. If you haven't subbed already, I'd appreciate the subs. We're getting close to 2,000 people, and hopefully we can get that by the end of December. So, alright, see y'all later.